Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a toothpaste and toothbrush. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a toothbrush. Trying to draw and paint with me. Let's draw some toothpaste on it. Next, I draw a tooth. I'm drawing his eyes. And smiling mouth. Finally, I'm drawing a toothpaste right here. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors. Great job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Green. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Good job! Orange. Light blue. Pink. Red. Orange. Keep your teeth healthy by brushing. It's good for health. Yellow. Green. Blue. I love to brush my teeth. It feels so clean. Purple. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Pink. Don't forget to brush your teeth. See you on the next video.